Title: The Helpful Squirrel's Lesson of Sharing. In a lively forest lived a friendly squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had a cozy nest filled with nuts he had gathered for the winter. One day, he noticed a group of hungry birds struggling to find food. Moved by their plight, Sammy decided to share some of his nuts with the birds. His generous act brought smiles to their beaks, and they chirped with joy. Sammy felt warm inside, realizing the happiness that sharing brought. As winter approached, Sammy began to worry about his diminishing nut supply. Despite his concern, he continued sharing with the birds, hoping they would remember his kindness. One chilly day, while Sammy's nest was nearly empty, he felt a tap on his shoulder. To his surprise, the birds had gathered around, carrying seeds and berries as a thank you gift. Their kindness touched Sammy deeply. Spring arrived, and the forest bloomed with life. Sammy's selfless actions had spread far and wide, inspiring other animals to share too. The forest was now a community where animals helped one another. One morning, a storm struck, knocking down Sammy's nest. Tired and sad, he watched the scattered nuts. But then, animals of all sizes came to help, using leaves, twigs, and their own fur to build Sammy a new, even cozier nest. The forest's unity and kindness had come full circle. Sammy had learned that sharing not only brought happiness to others, but also created bonds that lasted a lifetime.